Hello, as you know, I'm Kainton the Genius, and today I'm starting a new lesson on Android Studio tutorial. So many people have been asking me they would like to learn how to develop mobile apps. So how do you get started developing mobile app? One thing I'd like to tell you is that developing mobile application is actually easier than building desktop application that runs on the computer. That is the irony of it. While we have more developers for desktop and web application, we have few developers for mobile application. And this is something I would like to bridge this gap. I would like to help as many as possible to learn how to build mobile apps very easily. One question is, do you really need a knowledge of programming to be able to build mobile apps? The answer is no. And the reason is because mobile application softwares or applications you use to build mobile apps, it's really very easy. For instance, we have the Android Studio, the one I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with Android Studio because it's really easy to learn. So it's actually built in such a way that you can actually build a mobile application without having any knowledge of programming, without having to write any code. And that is how we are going to start now. I actually started yesterday night to build this application for a friend. I call it, I don't know if you can see the screen, but you can see this mobile application I'm building in the background. Just give me a second. Yeah, so I think it's better we build it together. As I'm building it, I'll be explaining it to you. The reason is because I'm someone that likes to teach. I'm somebody that likes to share my knowledge because I've been a computer engineer, a software engineer for close to 20 years, 1999 till 2018. So the best thing you can do with your knowledge as a programmer is to share it, is to bring up new programmers. And my responsibility is to bring up new programmers like you, like every other student, maybe in computer science, who really wants to learn programming. So what do you do for you to be able to learn? It needs some effort, I must tell you. It's not really as easy as some actually try to portray it. Programming, developing mobile application, it might be not difficult, but it may also not be really easy. So it needs you to put some effort. So I've started making this tutorial. I've actually made 4 simple tutorials at this point. I'm going to give some time so that you can actually follow along in this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel if you want, if it makes some sense to you. If you want to learn, you just subscribe and activate notifications so that when I make new lessons you get notified. And one thing about my lesson is that they are actually short lessons, so in space of let's say 10 minutes every day for let's say 10 lectures. So if you can learn every week, you take one lesson, then most likely in 10 weeks, space of maybe 3 months or thereabouts, you should be able to build a mobile application. And one thing I need to make it clear to you is that your instructor like me will not teach you everything, because it requires some innovation to be able to do something new. So if you see a mobile application and you see some feature you would like to know how it is implemented, maybe drop down, maybe some kind of database connectivity, you might have to learn some things on your own. But the basic things, the main features of a web application or mobile application, I'm going to teach you in this course. So feel free to learn. Feel free to let me know what you would like to learn more. Feel free to let me know what programming language you would like to learn, or what other topic in computer science, even if it's theoretical topics like flow networks or algorithms. So just let me know. I remain Kainton the Genius, and I'll always be there to help you learn anything you would like to learn.